Good evening. Oh, look, they're all over by the little waterfall over there. Some are coming. Let's see. There's a couple down. Look at the water. So much clearer. It's a little tease. Here comes the others. See? There they come. Alright. You ready? I think we're ready. Alright. It's really starting to clear up. Looked really good today while the sun was shining. Yeah. Took these water irises that a neighbor gave me. Took them finally out of their soft pot. It'd been in there for like, I don't know, a year and a half. Yeah. So, some really exciting news. So I haven't got it started, no. But I've caulked it. I've foamed it. She's ready to go, but I'm not running it until tomorrow. I just want to make sure everything's cured, as in the foam. I added more down here, but I added some rocks with it. It looks a little gaudy, but like really, once it gets flowing, and you're not even gonna notice all that. So yeah, super excited. Like, look, so clear. It's really got in there. Anyhow, let's see. Maybe we can feed them one more time. Oh, knock the plant over. Then I get to plant all my stuff once I got it all in place. Use the last of my dirt. Yeah. It's been a long time coming. Might even put, well, actually, yeah, I am going to put a light underneath there. Look, no one's coming. They're all over there getting the other scraps. That's good. Oh, there's Big Mama. Here's Big Mama here. Yeah. Here, come in. Big mouth. Yeah. She's probably my most valuable. And then there's Big Blue Nose down there. She's like one. Basically, I would say top 3 fave. Yeah, Big Mama's one too. But Goldie and Blue Nose, I think, are our favorites at this point. Okay. Have a good night. Bye.